Music legend Thomas Mapfumo assured the public is not taking Chivhayo's money for any reason, despite pressure from Lance Goma of Neanda Radio, who claims the convicted fraudster is a businessman. Sarabina Mashkomlani Kwanchizi Thomas Mapfumo rejects Lance Goma's pressure to take Chivhayo's fraud money. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Over the last 11 years, Lance Goma has been secretly meeting this convicted fraudsters network that includes the notorious scammer Obo Chibono and gold mafia implicated UB Angel, and cooking up fake audios that radicalize, criminals in the community. Their Chabangu character jealousy Mawariri yesterday Monday failed to pull up audio files that are still to be uploaded 5 years later after being promised of that they are legal evidence to justify the fraud network's agendas. Goma's latest news article pressurizes people to crown Chivhayo a businessman, despite his long history of serious fraud prosecuted over 21 years since 2005. In the latest case, which is under South Africa's Financial Intelligence Unit, for blowing $100 million ballot paper money during the alleged rigging of the 2023 elections. Last night, the whole country was hit by a major electricity blackout, all hospitals blanked out just as accident risks shot up after Chivhayo blew the latest round of millions of public money on luxury cars, more money than he has done since his Gwanda electric plant squander of 2015. Cash splashed on cars and Nike shoes. In exchange of the luxury cars, people are instructed to worship the convicted fraudster under the debt label Mukuru Mazuwa Ancient of Days, even though national statistics suggest that their days on earth are being reduced by him. Money blown on shoes and cars is for human mortality essentials, electricity, hospital, road safety systems. Mapfumo maintained, stating he has nothing to do with the statements published by Goma in the last few days. Toma developments anobuda panguva ine kuzoonekwa kunzi Thomas Mapfumo oya panguva ine achirejecta achiti aiwa ini ndiri bhoo zvangu neupfumi hwandinawo, mari yandisinganzwisisi kuti yakabvepi handiide. Here comment section menu dzafungiro aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up, watching and turn the bell icon.